Welcome to the Web Design Starter Kit. If you have the desire to turn your passion for computers into a career, the IT and Web Development Diploma offered by Online Business School is definitely a course you should consider. We've built our experience working with a range of organizations across the world. Our varied client base includes online retailers, award-winning charities, and legal and financial services. In each case, our digital expertise has supported business goals. The product you will be selling to your customers is a step-by-step video tutorial that teaches even a newbie how to build professional websites from scratch as well as how to monetize these skills. I call it Web Design Home Kit. You can call it any name you want. Web design is popular, but you will not find many places offering degrees in it. Generally, trade schools rather than traditional universities offer degrees in subjects such as web design. This means you can select the classes you want to take to customize your education to suit your career goals. One of the best educational paths is to attend web design courses, such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These skills will give you essential skills to design fully functional websites. Networking is essential for web designers. It is how they learn the tips, tricks, shortcuts, and latest trends. It is also a great way to find work or find the people who can do the work you need to create the website your client wants. It is also an ideal way to develop people skills. Web design means interacting with people. It might seem like it is a job where you spend hours in front of a computer programming away with little to no interaction with the people who work with the final product. Unfortunately, it requires regular interaction. You need to know what the client wants and then be able to update and maintain the work you have done for them. This means communicating and having a solid set of people skills. This will get you a step-by-step video tutorial branded with your name. Anyone that watches these videos will be able to build a website and integrate school portal with portal and many other features. An average fee for a course is $1,600 for a course, even online training. With this product, it's affordable and not time-consuming, and you can finish it in your own time. If this sounds like something that may interest you, feel free to click the link below where you will be directed to your discounted web page offer, which will aid and help you get started with no expensive fees. No interest, no college fees.